Gain increased ground clearance and killer good looks with Rough Country's 3-inch suspension lift kit for the Ford Excursion. This all-inclusive kit features everything you need to run up to a 33-inch tall by 12.5-inch wide tire, while giving you plenty of increased ride height to tackle off-road obstacles. This kit features a set of lifted springs and rear blocks to provide additional ground clearance, while leveling the front with the rear for a clean, even look. A heavy-duty track bar helps keep your axle at the optimum angle, especially in uneven off-road environments. This kit also features premium front and rear Rough Country shocks for impressive ride quality both on and off-road. Best of all, this kit's 100% bolt-on installation process makes installation a cinch with no cutting or grinding required. Includes Rough Country's lifetime replacement warranty.